and time again, researchers pour their hearts and souls into conducting, writing, and publishing their work. They strive to contribute conclusively to their field's ever-growing knowledge base. But how can researchers track the impact of their articles in the scholarly community? Understanding who is citing your work and how often is crucial. It helps measure an article's influence and gauges the reception of your research. Let's explore 5 practical ways to track citations and monitor the influence of your article within the academic sphere. First up, Google Scholar. It's a powerful tool, offering comprehensive coverage and user-friendly features. Set up a profile, track citation counts, and calculate your H-index. Next, Web of Science. With its extensive index and user-friendly interface, it aids in evaluating the impact and significance of your research. Another way to track citations, Cite.ai. It provides a nuanced approach to understanding citations through its Smart Citations feature, offering a qualitative understanding of your work's impact. Other databases like Scopus and PubMed also offer valuable insights. They help recognize where your article is making waves and keep you engaged with the broader scholarly conversation. Don't forget social media and networking. Participate in discussions, share your work, and build connections with fellow researchers. Stay updated with citation alerts. Receive notifications whenever your work is cited by other researchers. Google Scholar alerts, Web of Science citation alerts, and Scopus alerts are valuable resources. As you embark on your academic journey, remember that each citation tells a story of influence, connection, and contribution. Mastering the art of tracking citations is essential for unveiling the holistic appreciation for the impact and reach of your work. By leveraging these tools and techniques, researchers can measure their impact while actively participating in shaping the ongoing narratives. Unlock the impact of your research today.